Pizza is back on the menu, and it's back with the help of your extra Greek yogurt. This 3-ingredient pizza dough is crispy but airy and light with a chewy texture. If you ever had one of those personal pan pizzas growing up, then picture that, but better, and honestly, probably even cheaper, which is hard to do nowadays. So let's jump right into it. P.S. What are your favorite uncommon pizza toppings in the comments below? Start this one by taking out a mixing bowl. Add right into it 100 grams of plain whole milk Greek yogurt, 10 grams of grated Parmesan, and 90 grams of self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can use this ratio with all-purpose. If you don't want to use all-purpose, I find that I can recreate this pretty well with half oat flour and half almond flour. I'll put all of this organized on the website, which is always linked below or up top here. Moving on, mix those 3 ingredients together. Once it starts to clump up, you can use your hands. It shouldn't be sticky. Keep it moving until everything is thoroughly combined and you have your dough. Let that rest for a few minutes while your oven preheats on 450 and you take out your toppings. Put your dough onto a piece of lightly floured parchment paper and press or roll it out into your pizza shape. However thin or thick you want your pizza to be is up to you. I like it thin. Give your top a quick brush with some olive oil, then throw that in your oven for 5 to 7 minutes. After that, top it with 1/4 cup of pizza sauce, 1/4 cup of your favorite pizza cheese, and a couple optional pepperonis. For more protein, you could top it with 3 ounces of some lean ground beef, chicken, and so on. I'll make sure to put the nutritional information for multiple variations. Last, put that back into the oven on 450 for around 10 to 12 minutes, or until it looks like this. This one is delicious and super easy to make. Couple tips. Number 1, garlic or onion powder, oregano, basil, Italian seasoning, and crushed red pepper are all ways you could add some new flavor to your dough. Number 2, full or reduced fat Greek yogurt will work better than fat-free. And number 3, if you want a bigger pizza, you can double this recipe or use the recipe card on the website to scale it. Now it's about time we bring back testing or guesstimating. So using your best judgment below in the comments, guess how much you think all these pepperonis weigh. 1 guess per person, and the winner will get a shaker. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick recipe ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.